In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add predecessors in a Smartsheet project sheet. To get started, open your Smartsheet project sheet and make sure you're in the correct project where you want to manage task relationships. Predecessors are used to show which tasks need to happen before other tasks can begin or finish, and setting them up properly helps Smartsheet automatically adjust your schedule. This is especially useful when you're working with multiple connected tasks and want to keep your timeline accurate without updating every date manually. Once your sheet is open, the first thing you need to do is confirm that dependencies are enabled. You can check this in project settings. If dependencies are not turned on, Smartsheet won't be able to use predecessor relationships to drive the schedule. This setting is essential because it allows the sheet to recognize how one task affects another. After enabling it, your project sheet will be ready to handle automatic scheduling updates. Next, locate the predecessors column in your sheet. This is the column where you define the relationship between one task and another. If you're viewing a project sheet with a Gantt layout, this column is usually included as part of the standard setup. Take a moment to identify the task you want to update, and then click into its corresponding cell in the predecessors column. Now enter the row number of the task that must happen first. For example, if one task depends on a task listed on row 5, you would enter that row number into the predecessors cell for the dependent task. This tells Smartsheet that the current task should be scheduled in relation to that earlier one. Be careful to use the correct row number, since the relationship is based on the row location of the task in the sheet. If needed, you can also add dependency types or lag time. This gives you more control over how the relationship works. For instance, you may want one task to start only after another task finishes, or you may want to add a small delay between the two. Adding this information helps create a more realistic and flexible schedule. After that, check that the task schedule updates automatically. If everything has been entered correctly and dependencies are enabled, Smartsheet should adjust the timing based on the predecessor relationship you just created. This is a good time to quickly review the task dates and confirm the logic looks right. Finally, save the sheet and review the Gantt timeline. The Gantt view gives you a visual way to confirm that your dependencies are working as expected and that the project flow makes sense. Reviewing it at the end helps you catch any scheduling issues before moving on.